y'all, today we are trying out the new Too Faced Papaya Pop eyeshadow palette. This little beauty looks like this. We have 7 shades in here. I love this like Tutti Frutti packaging. I love that. It does smell like papayas. It smells really, really good. But yeah, we have kind of a pinky purple vibe going on here. And let's see, I'll show you what the unicarton looks like. It's super cute. I love this. But I got this on Ulta.com. It's $34. And if you are new here, I always want to let you guys know we use all natural lighting. No ring lights here, no filters. I want you guys to see the shades and the colors as they are. I don't want anything to look differently. What you see is what you get here on my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and if I like this palette, then I hope you subscribe and click that bell and let's hop in. Okay, so face is already done. Eyes are primed and set. I always use concealer and a translucent powder as per usual. So this little beauty I was instantly attracted to. We have swatches here of the shimmers. The first one's more of like a topper. The second one is a boom metallic. And the third one here, this pink one, it's more of a satin finish. So I think I want to put that all over the lid and then we're gonna go from there. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I think I want that one on the lid, and then maybe we'll go in with this one, the more toppery shade. I don't know. We're gonna wing it. All right, let's start out with this first pinky shade on the lid and see what we're getting here. Okay, it's very light. You do have to build it, but I think that would be pretty for kind of just a really light 1 or 2 shade kind of look. But it's not super pigmented. But if you're going super light, if you have on a BB cream, really minimal makeup, you might like that. This is the shade that I'm attracted to the most in the palette. I'm sure a lot of you guys could have guessed that. So I'm gonna take that guy. And this does smell so good. It's definitely papaya. It smells really good. All right, let's start putting this one in the crease. Kind of my actual crease, like lower crease area where I do have hooded eyes. I normally make a crease, I fake it, but with this shade, I want it in the actual crease. And this shade is beautiful. It's very smooth, very blendable. That shade is so pretty. I don't want to do too much with the eye look. I want it to be, ooh, feminine. That's the word I can think of with this. So I don't want to go too overboard. We'll see how that goes. But I'm just taking this back and forth, slowly building it up. This shade would be absolutely beautiful all over the lid. I don't know, I really like that shade. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and I'm gonna take the lighter pink matte in here. And we're gonna try to use this as our transition color, like our up top color here. So I'm gonna slowly start blending out the shade that we had just put on. Oh, I have to scoop this, sorry. I don't want too much on my brush, so I'm just taking that right above the color we have in the crease. And then slowly blending everything out. Blending it up towards the brow. Then we'll go back in and we will re-intensify our first shade. Well, technically our second shade, but yeah, we will re-intensify that after we get all this blended out. This pinky matte doesn't really do anything. Maybe if you have a lighter skin tone, it will show up more on you. but for me, it's not really doing much. All right, let's go back in with this guy right here and just re-intensify what we had laid down previously. All right, why not take the purple? I really like this kind of soft overall look. Do I want to take the purple or do I not? No, actually, let's go ahead and take that purple on the lower lash line because I'm not sure I want it up top. So I'm going to put this on the lower lash and I'm putting it really tight in there, not taking it down super far. Yeah, I like the way that looks. I'm going to grab the brush we had. Oh, sorry, I have an itch. Oh, okay. And go back in with our more peachy orangey shade. And just get this outer corner and just fluff it a little bit. All right, let's take our shimmer. I'm gonna use my finger. That's the way I prefer. And I just want to tap this on. I don't want it too pow in your face. I want it to be more scattered, almost look like you've applied a glitter on top. There's a little bit of fallout so far, but it's not bad. I'm taking this all the way to the outer corner where I didn't use a darker shade. Okay, we have quite a bit of fallout. Oh, all right, let's see if we can wipe it away. Of course not. Oh my gosh. Well, we have some glitter there, but it's okay. I'm gonna take a small brush and I'm gonna take our orangey shade here. I'm gonna run right underneath of that purple. I absolutely love this peachy orangey shade. It's beautiful. I'm going to take a wee bit of the pink here, the matte pink, and run it right below that. Okay, maybe this pink will show up a little bit better with a more, hold on, hold that thought. I grabbed a natural haired brush and I'm going to try this pink again where it didn't work too well our first go around. I think it'll work better with a natural hair brush as opposed to a big fluffy synthetic blending brush. All right, so I'm gonna just take that right on our outer edge and just gently fluff it. It's like I'm not even really blending it, I'm just kind of laying it down. Oh yeah, much better. So with this pink shade right here, it's much better to use it with a natural hair brush. A natural haired brush is going to put it down a lot better, almost a thicker lay down of it. It'll be more intense as opposed to a regular synthetic blending brush. Is this synthetic? I don't know if this is synthetic, but a natural hair brush that is more densely packed is going to put it down a lot more pigmented. Man, I cannot talk today. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, do this eye, and throw on some lashes, all that jazz, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we have Allure 117 lashes on. I took a little bit of the NARS black eyeliner and I took it about a little more than halfway in. I don't know. I wanted something, I don't know. I wanted something more. So we're gonna try to highlight with this shade. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it. I've got a fluffy brush here and I'm just gonna put that, oh yeah, we got this. Especially where that's a satin shade. It's not fully matte, but it's not like a shimmer. It looks really beautiful. Wow, wow, sorry guys, I'm totally blocking you. But wow, I am loving this. Loving it. So let me grab another brush and let's put a little bit of the shimmer shade we used on the lid. Let's put that on the inner corner. I'm really trying not to, yeah, it's just, that's not a very good shade to use for that. Let's use my highlight, my face highlight, where that's more of an eye topper. It's not really the best for inner corner. Most of it's just gonna fall over my face. So let's use something else. I'm just taking my Bare Minerals Joy highlight, sticking that right on the inner corners. Gotta make sure there's a pop there. Okay. So this is our finished look. I have to say I love this. I think it's beautiful. All of the shades blended out beautifully. We used every shade except for the yellow shade on the end here. And this shade, I love it. It's just really my kind of color though. But as far as formula goes, it's beautiful. Like, it's beautiful. Now, here's where we go a little downhill. This one I totally get for highlighting the brow. If you have a lighter skin tone, it would look really beautiful all over the lid. For me, I'm just a little bit too tan for it. It doesn't show like I want it to. Same with this pink. I really had to work for it to even get it to be like a transition. The purple I liked on the lower lash line. I will continue to use it, let you guys know. But I'm pretty sure it's going to blend out good. It's going to be a good shade. Same with the yellow. I'll try it out. Yellows are not my favorite. They're really hard to impress me. But again, I will let you guys know down below. For me, this is not a cheap palette. It's just not. And there's only, what, 7 shades? 2, 4, 6, yeah, 7 shades in it. It's good. I like it. I'm definitely going to continue to use it. But I don't want to say, go run out and buy this, because for me, I don't really like this pink shade. We'll see about the yellow. This pink shade is only going to be a highlight, so I'm not using and loving all of the shades. Now, if you think you'll love these, your skin tone is good to where these pinks will pop more, it's a good palette. I do like it. I'd say you will like it. But I'm not going to completely recommend this. Like I said, I like the palette, but I don't like all of the shades. They don't work for me as I would want them to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.